Look over there. It's a bird. And there goes a butterfly fluttering by. And there's, it's what looks like it's a Barney!
Oh, hi, everybody. Oh, it's great to see you. So, what did you see through the telescope?
We've seen all kinds of different animals, like birds and butterflies and friends. And there's another one.
Hi! Hi, everybody.
Hi there, Red.
Hello.
Would you like to help us look for animals in the park?
Oh, yeah, thanks. Sounds like fun.
Oh, I think I see another animal.
Oh, where, Bernie?
Right under that tree.
Rachel.
Hi, Barney. Hi, Rip.
Hi, Rachel.
Would you like to see my new music box?
Oh,
Sure.
yeah.
Great.
Whoa.
There it is. Oh, my. Oh, so what are these pictures on your music box?
It's some animals.
You know, we have animals like these right here in the park.
Uh-huh. There's a bunny.
Oh, awesome.
Cute.
But, what's all that on the ground?
Oh, that's just some stuff that came in the box. Do you want to listen to the music that it plays?
Maybe we should pick these things up first.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll get those in a minute. Come on, let's go inside and listen to it where it's quiet.
Okay.
All right.
Come on, Riv.
I'm coming.
Rachel, you seem tired today.
I am. I stayed up late listening to my music box. Come on, let's go inside.
Well,
Okay, here you go.
Doesn't it sound pretty?
Oh, it sure does.
I really like your music box.
Me too.
Thanks.
Oh,
Boy, I'm really sleepy. Maybe I will take a nap.
that's a good idea. Okay. There you go.
Barney? Riff? Where are you? Where'd everybody go? Am I dreaming? Hello? Anybody out here?
My. Would you look at this mess?
You can talk? You're a turtle, and you're talking.
Of course I can talk.
Turtles can't talk. I don't believe it.
Well, I don't believe someone littered in my home. Would you look at this mess?
Who did this? Look at all this trash.
You can talk too?
Hello, Rachel.
Oh, Barney, these animals can talk.
Yes, I know.
This park's full of all kinds of amazing animals.
Uh-huh.
Come on, let me show you around. Oh, I can't wait for you to meet everybody.
Oh, boy.
Ribbit.
Hello, Mrs. Frog.
We're introducing Rachel to all the animals who live here in the park.
Well, I know where there are lots of animals.
Oh,
Where?
Over in the meadow. Follow me.
Thank you for introducing us to all your friends who live in the meadow.
You're welcome. Say, you wouldn't know who left this litter here, would you?
Well, actually,
Are you all right, Mrs. Duck?
Oops, just look at this, Barney. Look what someone's done to our beautiful pond.
yeah, that was me, actually. I'm really sorry. I meant to clean it up, but...
Please, do. What if one of my ducklings ate this? They'd get sick. Sick.
Oh, I guess I never thought of that.
That's another reason we have to keep the park nice and clean.
That's right. The ducks need a clean pond to paddle around in.
I'll never do it again, ever.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Ribbit, thanks.
You see, Rachel, we have to remember that we share this park with some very special friends.
I understand now, Barney. I'll clean this up right away.
I can help.
Guys? Barney?
Did you have a nice nap?
I just had the strangest dream.
Oh.
I dreamt that I met all the animals who lived in the park. And they talked and everything.
Well, that sounds like a fun dream.
It was. And you were there, Barney? And you too, Riff. And you even helped me clean up the mess I made.
I'm sure all the animals really liked that.
They did.
Oh, isn't it wonderful to know that we have all these animal friends around us every day?